Hey everyone, Steph Beckett here at InfoComm 2023. I'm here with Chris Merrick of Shure, and we are in their demo room right outside the InfoComm show floor because we're going to kind of go in depth on a few of the things that they have in here. So how's it going, Chris?
Yeah, really great, thanks, Steph. We're just showing a few things in here which we can get to a bit more in depth than we can on the main booth. People can have more in-depth conversations as well. Extra capabilities around the MXA 920, what we're doing with technology partners, and also around the new 902. So would you like me to show you around?
Yes, please show me around.
Okay, let's do that. Let me just introduce you to Rich, who's staffing this section of our booth, which is looking at the MXA 920 and camera tracking. So Rich, perhaps you could just give us 1 minute on what you're showing here.
Sounds good. Hi, Rich.
Yeah, hi, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good. Yeah, I'd love to, basically what we're doing today is describing the benefits of the MXA 920, our flagship ceiling array microphone, and what it does for camera tracking, all the coordinates and data that we're sending out, and how that helps in camera tracking with precise location finding. Yeah.
And these are your partners here, correct?
Yes, these are some of the camera partners. You know, we're not concerned with what camera you're using. It's really about the data that's coming out of our microphone. So.
Very cool. And this is the 920, and the 902 is made to be like the little sibling of this, correct?
I would not try to do camera tracking or associate camera tracking with the 902. 902 is a very, very different product.
Okay.
Yep.
Very cool. All right, continuing on.
Okay, let's move on. So this section we're showing the 902 in a bring your own device configuration. So perhaps my colleague Paul, you could just explain in 1 minute how the 902 works with BYOD and BYOM options.
Here, let me come over here.
Yeah, today I'm showing the MXA 902 combined with an ANA USB, and we're showing how it works well with the Barco Click Share. So all of your peripherals can be shared wirelessly through a little USB dongle. It's a USB-C, and it transmits all of your peripherals, microphones, camera, speakers, right to that USB interface on a laptop. The new thing about this is we are showing this now has a speaker in it. So our 902 is a ceiling array with speaker technology built in. It's all in one, so it uses PoE Plus, and it will get you going up and running faster than any other solution. There's no ceiling tiles to cut for speakers. It's Zoom and Team certified. That's hard to say. And yeah, it's really a time saver, and it gives you a high-end solution, better than any speaker bar that's out there because the coverage is above you, and it gets equal coverage of everyone in the room, including the speaker. So it's an amazing solution for that.
And what size rooms do you recommend this for?
I recommend this in a 20 by 20 foot room, and I would say a single device. If you're going with multiple of these, you should go to an MXA 920. It's just more customized for larger rooms with multiple microphones.
And the camera tracking, which I just learned about over there.
Yeah, that has all of the advanced features and direct outputs. Like I said, this is a single output device, so you have a 20 by 20 coverage area that can shift around, and it will pick up everyone automatically with lobes in that area.
Okay, very cool. It was nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's move on to the next section, and we shall pester our colleague Tyler, who can talk about what we're doing with QSYS and the MXA 920 range.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Tyler with Shure. Thanks, Chris, for the introduction. So, yeah, here we're showing our continued partnership with QSYS. We've had a long history working in QSYS with our MXW module, and so we're introducing the MXA 920 module. So basic metrics of what's going on with your array natively in QSYS, which will help deploying to be a lot easier and a lot faster to help get these rooms up and going as quick as possible. So we have this module, should be on our website here in a couple days, and then eventually we will get to having a camera control module. We're hoping for into summertime for that, to be able to have multiple MXA 920s and multiple QSYS cameras all working together for seamless camera tracking. So.
Very cool. Awesome. Well, thank you so much. That was quick and easy. All right.
It's great when the people who really know what they're talking about explain things instead of me. So let's interrupt Jake at the last section. So Jake, I'm terribly sorry. We're going to interrupt you because we're recording for Rave TV.
Yes.
Perhaps you could just explain what the latest developments for IntelliMix Room and Stereo, please.
Absolutely, yeah. With IntelliMix Room 5.0, we are rolling out stereo AEC to support Zoom directional audio and Microsoft Teams upcoming positional audio. Because we're moving to a stereo codec, it has major implications to the way we need to process acoustic echo cancellation in the room. A mono reference will result in pretty big problems like leakage of the far end signal. And we're proud to announce that we have a stereo acoustic echo cancellation reference that allows us to select our reference for it and properly reproduce stereo audio within the meeting room. Yeah.
So how does that work with the demo that you're showing?
So with this demo that we're showing right now, we actually have a pre-recorded Zoom meeting that we did a little bit ago, and we're showing the way that the reference on this 310 AEC lobe is working right now. We have an MXN5C as the left and right reference for this. Yeah.
Very awesome. Well, very awesome, and thanks for showing us really quick. Yeah. All right.
Okay, well, thanks, Steph. And the highlight of the room, which I know you've been looking forward to, is our popcorn station.
Yes.
So you're very welcome to come along and grab a bag of that and take some back to the team.
Thank you so much, Chris, and as always, thank you to Shure for all of your support and for your Rave TV sponsorship. Final question, where can people find more information about Shure?
As always, Shure.com, and go to the conference and meeting section, and everything all about all these amazing products and solutions is there to enjoy.
Perfect. And don't forget, on our side as well, you can go to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all of your InfoComm 2023 news. Once again, I'm Steph Beckett. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.